The Queenscliffe HUB building site has been a hive of activity as the pace of the fit-out picks up as the completion date at the end of June approaches. Hesse Street and Hobson Street have been lined with tradies' vehicles. Concreting, installation of glass, flooring and the museum storage system all happen in this episode, part 13 of Building the Queenscliffe HUB. On the 24th of May, 49 cubic metres of concrete were poured for the activity space and car park at the back of the building. It takes great skill with the troweling machine to produce the perfect finish. It was late in the day when the huge job was done and the concreters stood back to admire their work. The painters have started giving the old library building a fresh coat of paint on the facade and the windows. Late in May, the large glass windows in the breezeway and the Visitor Information Centre were installed. In early June, work started to render the external walls of the 1970s extension to the old library building. The main entry door frame was assembled on site and installed to await the installation of the glass. The stylish panel beside the front door has the Wadawurrung name of the hub, Wirrrng Wirrng, as a large cutout. It means listen with both ears. A few days later, the main entry door glass was installed and the building was at last at the lock-up stage. On Monday the 6th of June, Mark and Matt from Dexian Storage Solutions delivered the 3 compactors for the museum and began installing them. There are many parts to assemble. Mark uses a laser device to level the tracks to a tolerance of 2 millimeters, so each bay will move smoothly. These units will contain over a tonne of artefacts, documents and photographs, so it's essential they move easily by rotating the wheels at the end of each bay. The museum has compactors in both the collection storage and the archive in the basement, and another in the research centre on the ground floor. Meanwhile, on the ground floor, there is lots of action as the black butt timber flooring panels are being laid in the Visitor Information Centre, the breezeway and the auditorium. With only a few sheets left, it takes careful measurement to fit the flooring around the zigzag glass facade. A layer of cardboard is laid down to protect the new floor while the electricians continue fitting lights. After After a massive clean-up in the Visitor Information Centre, breezeway and auditorium, floor sanding began on the 15th of June, followed by 3 coats of clear polyurethane. The building was sealed up while this was done, and it was difficult to record, so you will have to wait till the next episode of Building the Queenscliffe HUB to see more of this magnificent floor and take a video walkthrough as the building approaches completion. Subscribe to the Queenscliffe Historical Museum's YouTube channel and make sure you click the bell symbol so you are notified when a new video is posted. Thank you for watching.